Hi.
Say hi. What's up? Say hi. Yep. Rayhan, remember? If I record, just ignore me.
Hi.
This is Rayhan. I'm like, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, we're live.
And I'm
Okay, yeah, bye.
Instagram videos are for Vine. It's the tricks guy going like this.
What?
Like pocket.
We're going.
You're gonna drop your
Oh my god. Okay, look. Guys, I'm recording and say hi.
Hi. Drop your phone. Put it in your pocket.
Shut up. I'm not gonna drop it. Look. Okay, I'm gonna put this away now because I'm afraid I'm just about to jinx it. Okay. Okay. Yes! We accomplished it! We accomplished it without falling up.
I can't believe that
My phone didn't fall! Yeah!
No, I am.
No, Chassis sing along.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh,
They just want me.
Sure.
Fiona, what dance are you doing? I'm making a documentary. You have to be in it, Fiona. Documentary. Fiona. Got you. Lund. Smack him. This is Smack him.
I love that song.
Smack him. Smack him. Smack him.
Step into the car right in front of you.
Rayhan, what's wrong? Smack him.
Smack him.
Hi, Fiona. Fiona, how come you don't want to be in my video?
Camera
Hit me with your best shot. Rayhan's on camera. We are on the ride right now. We're on Ghost Rider. We're in Ghost Rider right
Go. Like watch the.
now. Is this scared?
Yeah, hold on to it. It has a deep drop. Hold on to it like tight. Like you have to go like this.
So scared.
You said all of it. You want to see my outfit? Oh my god. You picture. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we about to drop. What?
Holy Jesus! hit my arm so bad. I was like, oh!
I know.
Every time I pass,
You're like,
it was so loud. You're like, woo!
no, no.
Dude, every time I pass these things, I feel like I'm gonna hit my head.
No, we should record Silver Bullet.
Yeah, I'm gonna record it. Dude, we did it. Holy. So, I did not get Alyssa in the video. Alyssa, how do you feel about that?
Like, shit.
But we're in the bathroom right now, waiting for Rayhan. She's taking a poop. People poop. It's okay. But, yeah, we're having a blast. And I don't know why I still have my sweater on.
It's hotter than hell outside.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna take it off.
Well, I'm wearing this shit right here.
Rayhan, where's your backpack?
It's in there with us. On the hut. Where's the hut?
BRB.
So creepy during home.
We
How far do you want
just
to
got
go?
off the wet ride.
How far do you want to go?
And
All the way up, like right there, right there, right there.
they're all soaking wet, and it's crazy. Everybody's trying to get me wet because I didn't get wet at all.
I know you!
Just my hair and my feet. But yeah, I'm lucky.
Chastity, look, it's the guy with the pretty eyes. You know the one that you can't.
Oh, hi! He's so cute. Hi. We are waiting in line. Waiting in line. Waiting in line. We're in the front, so we're waiting. I feel like I want to drop it though.
I know, I'm so happy.
What, Alyssa?
Put the camera off when you're ready.
Ow. Oh my god, my eyeball.
Do not.
Okay, we are on the horse ride right now, and this goes super fast.
You have
And
to, like, hold it, like,
I'm
really
so
tight.
scared. I'm holding it super
I know. You have to hold it really tight. It's a bad
tight.
launch. Bravo! Okay, let's go. Come on.
Ah!
I'm scared. Hold on tight, Chastity. 3, 2, 1.
Holy crap! It's better be recording. Okay, it's recording. Say hi! Say hi! Say hi to my family! Yeah, yo!
It was like,
Dun 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 dun. Continue talking.
oh,
Why?
they have finished the sentence for me.
This is my Rayhan.
Fiona.
Yeah.
Fiona. You.
Wait, look. Got you again.
We're not going to put on anything.
Yeah, just YouTube.
Look, take a picture. Come on. Ready? Wait. Get me in it.
Your face
Give
is
me a
going
minute.
on YouTube.
Ready? Take pictures. You got right now.
Like, make a wish. It's gonna come true. It's gonna come true. That's what we're going on.
Okay, are you going to take this?
So, I was not able
No, you don't. It's just like you're like.
to record
It's just like you're flying.
on the other ride because it went super high and my phone was gonna fall. So. You know what we should do? But I'm gonna go up to someone and then I'm gonna be like, when they say hi, I'll be like, hi.
Be like, you can see me too.
You can see me too? Yeah. This is dangerous. Oh my god, I'm like sliding all over the place. Oh my god, we're gonna go over water.